And welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix my Duolingo not working. If you're having problem with your Duolingo not working properly on your phone, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these methods is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then try logging in into Duolingo again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there is an update available for Duolingo in your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Then go to search and then search Duolingo. Then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. Now, if updating also didn't help, it's time to go ahead and clear your cache. Go ahead and open your settings and then search apps. Then click on the option of apps and then scroll down until you see the option of Duolingo. Now again scroll a bit down, then you see the option of storage, and now on the bottom right corner of your phone you'll see the option of clear cache. So hit the option of clear cache. If you're using iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of the previous methods help, it's time to go ahead and delete the app Duolingo from your phone and then reinstall with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn problems and many more. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your Duolingo account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.